Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Bluetooth is on and your Fitbit has sufficient charge, so sync won't fail. Open the Fitbit app and sign in to the account linked to your tracker. This ensures the app targets the right device. Once done, place your tracker within 3 meters of the phone and keep the app screen active. This reduces interruptions from background restrictions. Now tap the device icon or account your device to initiate the first sync step and watch for the device name to appear. Next, you take control of the actual sync process by forcing a manual sync. Tap the device tile or go to Account and choose Sync Now. Make sure the app has Bluetooth and location permissions because those enable the background sync handshake. Also, disable battery saver or app optimizations that may suspend the Fitbit app. If the first attempt stalls, restart Bluetooth or kill and reopen the app. This resets the connection. After a successful sync, you'll see updated steps and stats. Confirm timestamps to verify freshness. To finish, verify that steps, heart rate, and sleep show current timestamps so you know data transferred. If something's missing, try rebooting your Fitbit by using the device-specific restart method. This often clears transient bugs. Make sure the app is the latest version, and if needed, reinstall it to remove corrupted caches. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the tracker only after backing up any usable data in the app. If problems continue, contact support with device firmware and app version details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.